Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, smart device integration. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.